Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So for today I'm gonna be doing another hair tutorial since I noticed that you guys are enjoying my last hair tutorial. So for this hair tutorial I'm gonna be doing a fishtail braid, but not just any fishtail braid. I'm gonna do it but without braiding. So I hope that you stay to watch and learn a new trick from me. See you in the tutorial. Okay, so now that we are about to start, you're gonna need some essentials to complete this braid. So one of them is going to be, oops, I just dropped one. It's gonna be some rubber bands. So just buy a pack of rubber bands. They cost like $1 or $2. Make sure that they're the rubber ones, not the other plasticky ones. Those tend to break and they won't last too long on your hair before they break. So I would suggest a pack just so you could redo it throughout the rest of the summer. So do that. I right now have black, but in a perfect world I will have them white or a color that matches mine, but since I already have those I'm not gonna go buy anymore, so just use whatever you have. So I'm going with black. And then to kind of accessorize your braid, I just dropped one, but I have these pins. One says girls and it's cute like this. Then I have these ones, they're flowers. Oh, I dropped them. This one is some flowers and they look like this. They're rhinestoney. Some pearls that look like this. I have two of these. And I just dropped another one, but this one too. This one is all diamondy. And it's so cute. They look so cute on the hair. I got this one at Charming Charlie on sale. Like a pack of 6 for $7, which was not bad at all. So now that we know what to do, let's start. Also, I have clipped in my extensions because I just wanted my hair to look longer and I wanted it to look more fun. So you do whatever. So before we start, you want to kind of figure out where you want to put your braids. So I kind of want mine to lay towards the side because I have all this breakage here that's not gonna go in the braid, and I kind of just want to have it relaxed and outside. All this breakage right here as well, I would like to have it outside. Hair from the back looks like this. I have put it all towards one side, and I'm gonna leave, of course, this out as well because why not. So now I'm gonna be bringing some hair like this, and I'm just gonna be grabbing the surface of the hair from the back towards the front and like this. Hopefully you can see me. So like this, and now we're gonna tie this up with our rubber band. Ouch. And then we're just gonna tie like a little ponytail. So now we're gonna open this part up right here, and we're gonna put this hair and we're gonna flip it inwards like this. And then we're gonna pull the hair like this. And then we're gonna be, I'm gonna do that part at the end just so it's easier for you guys to see. Oh look, this is how we have it right now. So simple. Now we're gonna keep doing that all over the hair, all over the head, and of course grabbing towards this again. Make sure you could kind of feel where your tracks are, so just make sure you're covering those as you go. And then you're gonna grab the front again. And now this is a bigger chunk of hair, so we're gonna grab this one. So now I got confused. I'm gonna throw this hair that I'm not using right now towards the back of my head, and right underneath this now thing that we have made into a braid, we're gonna do the second little ponytail using our rubber band again. So again, we're gonna tie this one up, and you can see my tracks right there. It's okay, I'm gonna cover them. I'm gonna feel, gonna go a little bit lower this time. For some reason it stopped recording. Great, but all I did was the same exact thing. I took both of the ponytails and I twisted it under this one, under this braid right here, and I'm gonna do it again. So again, I'm gonna grab hair from the back. We still got like another one to go, like 2 more to go. I'm gonna grab this one. I'm gonna grab some hair from the front. And then these hairs, I also have mine, so I'm just gonna grab it like this. We're gonna grab a rubber band. Again, we're gonna tie it up. I'm giving it like 3 rounds just so it could stay for longer. Now you see this hair right here, we're gonna open it up right here. We're gonna take these 2 now, and we are going to grab the hair and again twist it inwards, just like this. And then we're gonna roll it back up like that. So super simple so far, and we're gonna go ahead and open it up a little bit more as we go, but for now we're just, then we have the last one, the last braid right here, comes all the way up front. And again, now for this one, I'm gonna throw the rest of the hair back, and I'm gonna again tie this hair with the rubber band. You can leave these out if you want. Like for me, this is my real hair. You can leave them out, you can leave them in, whatever you feel like it looks more natural. You could just do that one. So we're gonna take all of this and flip. Like that. And of course we could open it up like I said. You could bobby pin some areas if you want, whatever you want. So as of now, this is what we have so far. The back looks like this. Like I said, I'm going for a more like boho kind of look, like not too perfect. So, but if you want it more perfect, you could just comb it more perfect and you will have just that. So as I go along, I'll be doing the same with some rubber bands. Now for the rest of this, we're gonna be doing the same. We're gonna again tie it up right here. So it's very, you know, consecutive. The same exact thing over and over and over again. I'm gonna go like this, open up right here, twist the braid back inwards, and again we have the same exact thing right here. Now I could tell that some rubber bands are showing, so I'm just going to, let's say per se, go like this. Kind of stick a bobby pin in there. So we're gonna be doing that again and again and again. Okay, so now we are done and we have followed everything step by step through the braid. Like I said, very consecutive, the same thing over and over again. However, like I said, in my perfect world, I would have had this be white, so like this you won't be able to tell kind of like the black in the hair, but that's what I'm gonna be using these for, my little accessories. So I'm just gonna try to put one there, one here, and then it won't be that noticeable. It will kind of all blends in as we go. So my first one, this one fell and broke like at the beginning of the video, so this one kind of has some diamonds missing. It's all right, I'm just gonna still wear it. So I'll put this one, as you can tell, I had try to cover one up right here, so I think I'm gonna do that, and I'm gonna just pop this one out. Kind of looks like that. Now to kind of give it a little contrast, I'm gonna put this pearly one right here, right where it could cover the other one. So kind of like that. That looks cute. Maybe the girls one right underneath here. So it's like super cute. And maybe this one, since we don't have this one yet, I could put this one right at the end of the ponytail, like right here. Maybe like this. Oh, that's super duper cute. So not perfect, just, you know, enough to have it there. Maybe I could put the other one somewhere up here, like this. Does that look cute? And I have one more rose. So maybe we could put this rose like somewhere here. Like that. And this will be our finished look. And of course you could play with these hairs as well a little bit more, whether you want them to stick out. I will curl them, but for some reason my curling iron is missing. Like, I need to put a freaking warrant out or something. But this is, my shirt is a little stained right here. I don't know, I kind of washed it and then I stained. But this is our final look. I actually have one more. It's a little pearl. Now, I don't know if I should put this one on this side or put it back on this side. I think I'm gonna stuff it like right here. Like this. And my final braid looks like this. Now, I'm so excited. I was so excited to show you guys this braid just because like I said, I don't know how to braid. I don't know how to do a fishtail braid. And I've been so excited to kind of like do a fishtail braid because I don't know how to do one. Sometimes you just are in a rush but you want your hair to look a little bit stylish and you kind of can't. So I'm super excited that I figured this out some way, somehow, and I have turned this into a braid. Now if you liked it, let me know down below and subscribe if you'd like to see more from me. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I also have another video recreating Kendall Jenner's infamous ponytail, which was in the middle part and up. Oh my god, you guys been loving that. Thank you so much for watching that video. I had so much fun recreating it because it's such an iconic like ponytail. It's so her. So with that said, I hope that you like this hair tutorial and I hope that you come back to watch some more from me. So until the next one, bye.